Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the CKOKC Wireless Microphone. The model number is K80C1, and it's pretty hard to find the model number, but you basically have to go into the description on Amazon. I bought this in Germany for like 23 bucks. It was on sale. Usually it's 29. I'm not sure whether I would get it for 29, but for 23 I think it's pretty good. Okay, so let's unbox it. Get the instruction manual, not really important. Here is the important stuff. So basically, this is what you plug into your phone. Comes with USB-C, but don't worry, you can also just plug this in. It becomes lightning. You just plug it into your iPhone. If it's like not one of the new ones, so they don't have USB-C, and you can also technically plug it into your PC. This has USB Type A, so that's really nice. Okay, and there's a cable USB-C to USB Type A, and the two microphones themselves. So it's this, and then basically the exact same thing. Yeah, as you can see. And this is so when it's windy, and you're outside, you can use this. Yeah, and this is basically what you put onto the back of this, so you can like just attach it to a shirt or something. Let me just put it on the back of this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, you can charge this the microphone with USB Type C. And also I forgot to tell you this, but you can also charge your phone while it's like plugged in. So yeah, that's pretty good. And yep, that's basically it. So it's basically pretty plug and play with your phone, because you just literally plug it in and it kind of connects to it. So let's do a mic test. Okay, so this is the mic of a regular iPhone 12. So basically, to start recording, you obviously got to charge this. I just charged it, and so because it's an iPhone 12, you got to put an adapter on this, the dongle or whatever. Then you literally just plug it into your phone, and then you hold this down. Okay, now I have the CKOKC microphone on, and I hope it sounds better than my iPhone 12 microphone. I listened to myself earlier, and then I think it's better. Yeah, so I think it's worth 23 bucks. Yeah, so if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment so other people know that you found this video helpful, and tell me if you buy this bike or not. Okay, bye.